first part of this design board, I'm going to be making a goat's milk melt and pour glycerin soap using these spa massage bar molds. And I saw these years ago where somebody made an udder soap, and it was so funny and so cute. So they put pink in the bottom of the molds, and then they put white with some chunks of the black. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do that. I'm using an oatmeal milk and honey fragrance combination, so to speak. So I have in this one, this is my clear that I put activated charcoal in, and you can see it's not hard yet, it's setting up. And I put Crafter's Choice oatmeal and honey in there. It does turn dark brown, so I didn't want to use that in the lighter colors. And then I'm going to use some of the Golden Oats from Brambleberry in there, and that discolors to tan. But the nice thing with melt and pour is it does take longer to discolor, so I'm not too worried about that. And honestly, if the white turns a little bit tan, there are brown cows, so I think it's going to be super, super cute, and I'm just excited to see how this turns out. I wanted to say this really quick. I write notes on my bottles with any discolorations, also the safe usage rate. So for this particular fragrance, the IFRA safe usage rate is 2.6%. So this is really too low for me to use in cold process, so that is why I'm using it in the glycerin soap, because the glycerin soap uses a quarter of the amount of fragrance needed for compared to cold process. So for 20 bars of soap, I'm only going to be using an ounce of fragrance. So this will be totally fine for using in here, where if I make 20 bars of cold process soap, I need 4 ounces of fragrance. So that's something to think about when you are using fragrance, to make sure you're looking at those safe usage amounts, as well as the reviews, to see it's like, okay, hey, this fragrance is super strong, so it may be fine with that lower amount. But that's just something you want to keep an eye on, and anytime you buy a new fragrance, like I said, I've got the dark brown written on there. I write down any acceleration notes, anything like that. I just, as soon as I buy them, I look at that stuff, and then I write it on the bottle when I get it.